Hey there, Tashi Dilek. So it says, practice makes man perfect. It's a very beautiful saying, you know. But we practice and practice, then we present our presentation. But somewhere, I find, this kind of presentation is, a package. I feel there is no life. It's like raw, and somewhere it's like dry presentation. So I always try to not like a package. So I try to make it that just let it follow what the real presentation inside us. So this is, I think, very important also. Thank you, everyone.